Hi everyone, it's Maestra Julia here to teach you a new game that's called Spinning Around Multiplication. This is a game that you can play against yourself, but it might be a little more fun if you can find someone in your household to play against. So we've got two spinners up at the top, and they both have the same numbers. Now what's neat is you can make your own spinner at home using two tools. All you need is a pen or pencil, really anything that has a point on the end, and a paper clip, or in my case, I'm using a bobby pin. But the most important part is just that it has a little loop where you can fit that pen inside. We're gonna make a spinner by putting our spinnable object right in the middle, and we're gonna hold it steady using our pen or whatever you're using that has a point on the end. I hold it steady using my pen and give it a flick to spin. Another thing I want to show you before we get started is that along the bottom, you'll see that we've got different categories of our quick facts for multiplication. These are all strategies that we can use. So we've got double doubles. Double double is a strategy that we use when we multiply by 4. We have clock facts. That's a strategy that we can use when we're multiplying by 5. We can use the clock. We have clock facts plus 1. That is when we multiply by 6. We've got double double doubles. That's when we multiply by 8. And we have our decade facts minus 1 set. So that's when we multiply by 10 and then take away 1 set, which means when we multiply by 9. Now our goal is to spin each of these spinners to multiply two numbers together and then see which of those strategies we could use to solve that multiplication question. Whichever category works, we'll write that equation in, and we are racing to fill our whole row before our partner. Let me show you what I mean. I'm gonna spin first for myself by spinning on this first spinner. I got a 4. I'm gonna go over to the other one and spin again, and I got a 5. So a 4 is my double double fact, a 5 is my clock fact. So it doesn't really matter which of those I put it in because they're all empty right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my double double category. 4 times 5. Now a double double means that I double 5 once and get 10. I double that again, 10 doubled is 20. So 4 times 5 is 20. I've used that category now. Now let's imagine it's your turn. So I'm gonna spin for you, see what you get. Oops, sticking a little bit. There we go. And it looks like you got a 5. If you're playing at home and it's a little close, we could also call that a line, and you could say, okay, we'll just spin again. Like that's also a line, till you get a nice clear one. So there you got 5 times 5. So nowhere else to do but your clock fact, because you got 5 and 5 on that one. So if we were using a clock and the minute hand was pointing to the 5, how many minutes would have passed? 25 minutes. So 5 times 5 is 25. Now it's gonna go back to me. I got 5 and 6. So again, I have a choice because my 5 clock facts are open and my 6's, my clock fact plus 1 set is open. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my clock fact. 5 times 6. If the minute hand on a clock was pointing towards the 6, how many minutes have passed? 30 minutes. So 5 times 6 is 30. Let's do one more turn for you and we'll see what you get. Got a 4 and an 8. So 4 times 8, you might want to put in your double 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 column. So let's say I do 4 times 8 here. Double 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 means you're going to double your number 3 times over. So I'm going to double 4 and I get 8. Double 8 and I get 16. Double 16 and I get 32. So 4 times 8 equals 32. Now something you might encounter in this game is if you spin and let's say I got 5 and I got 5 again, and my numbers were 5 times 5. There's nowhere that I can put that because my clock fact is already taken. So I lose that turn. It goes back to you, and that is your chance to steal the lead. Remember that the goal of the game is to play until one of you has filled up your entire row. Have fun playing, everyone. Bye.